Hello dear students, I am Tosavant Dwan, teacher educator, Government Elementary Teacher Education Institution, Tudigadia, Balasur. In this online digital class, I welcome all the student teachers, and in this class, I am going to discuss with you about English at the later levels, high order skills, vocabulary, reading and literature. So all the student teachers are requested to participate in it actively. The foundation for vocabulary development and writing at later level is through focused listening, speaking and reading extensively with comprehension and interest. So at the later level, the vocabulary development it required extensive reading, listening and speaking. The very large stock vocabulary required in the later stage can be developed through reading. At the later stage, vocabulary development depends on reading more and more. When children read more and more, they develop more vocabulary. When the student read text, they develop the capacity to get the global and the factual ideas from it. When the student read the text, they will be able to identify what the actual cohesion is in the text, or they also get the global and factual ideas. They begin to link the new knowledge with their previous knowledge. They evaluate character, object and places. They understand what cohesion in a text is. When they read properly, they will be able to understand what cohesion is in the text. They acquaint themselves with the usual process of sequencing the sub ideas of the text. They predict and make inferences based on their stock of previous knowledge. They can also predict and make inferences based on their previous knowledge. They appreciate the language used in the text, and these produce language orally and in written form. They also appreciate the language used in the text. They go on constructing knowledge and create their own text to link themselves to the real life use. Then we will discuss about the multilingual setting in Odisha. We know that in Odisha also many languages are here. Odisha is also a multicultural state. So here in this multilingual setting, how we can use English language with our mother tongue and how mother tongue can help us in using them or in learning English, we can discuss. In the context of our state, Odisha, people cannot be monolingual and monocultural. There is always a vast interaction and movement among the language communities. Vast interaction and movement among the language communities, that means different people of different language are here in Odisha, and when they go from one part to another part, they meet the different people with the different language and culture. The people who use small languages, that is Ho, Juang, Kui, Santali, Kondho, etc. are mostly bilingual. People who are using the small language like this, Ho, Juang, Kui, Santali, Kondho, they are mostly bilingual. They have no option other than moving to another language which is more dominating than their small languages. They are bound to move to another languages in order to communicate with the people, in order to survive in the multilingual context, in the multicultural setting like Odisha. They are compelled to do so for their own survival, work and education. For their own survival, work and education, they need to be multilingual. Their usual second language is either Odia or Hindi. However, Odia is obviously the biggest language in Odisha. The small languages in our state are in danger of being vanished. The small languages, Ho, Juang, Kui, Santali, all these are in the state of being vanished. They have straight threat from Odia. As maximum people are saying Odia is the dominating language on other small languages. Odia is also not free from threat, as it has the giant in front of that is the English language. Then we will discuss about the judicious use of mother tongue in English class. how mother tongue can be used in teaching English to the students. It is seen in most of our English classes. Teachers translate and explain the text in the mother tongue of the learners. In most of the English classes, the teacher translates and explain the text in the mother tongue of the learners. It is also experienced that mother tongue has made English comprehensible. Mother tongue also help in comprehending the English text. In order to understand the English text, mother tongue also helps the teacher or learners. Mother tongue has made English comprehensible. Where necessary, it is used and has to be used as a resource. In maximum cases, Odia language or our mother tongue, they are used as resources. The use of mother tongue in English class should be done in a way in order to provide comprehensible input in English. For comprehending the English text, mother tongue can be used in a proper way. The mother tongue has to be used to provide background information of our learners. Mother tongue can also be used for getting knowledge about the background about the learners. For getting background information, mother tongue can also be used. Here are some possibilities how our first language Odia should be used in teaching and learning English, which is a second language in the context of our state. There should be no barriers between languages and subjects. English can rightly occur with the first language for learning activities. It is usually the first language that makes the child aware of the world around him or her. Course book have to be designed to promote multilingual activities. So here, how we can use mother tongue in learning or teaching English? Some points we will discuss here. First, we are discussing that there should not be any barrier between language and sentences. English can rightly occur with the first language. Our first language is Odia, our mother tongue. So when we are teaching English to the students, we must use the mother tongue. Then there is a need to introduce parallel text in the mother tongue of the child. Teachers with proficiency in teaching English have to translate stories from English to Odia. Teachers who are proficient in English, they can translate English text or English stories in Odia so that students can understand it better. There is also need for using the first language for the reconstruction of the meaning of the attempted expression through imperfect English. There is also need for using the first language for the reconstruction of the meaning of the attempted expression through imperfect English. Work available on care has to be taken to look for experiential work available on bilingual or mixed language text for teaching reading. Care has to be taken to look for experiential work. Experiential work is also be seen here for teaching reading. Bilingual learners dictionary have to be prepared for learners. Bilingual learners dictionary has to be prepared. Bilingual learners dictionary. Short example in their mother tongue as well as English with pictorial illustration should be provided with picture. Short example should be provided to the students to make these materials readable for our learners. Bilingual learners dictionary should be used and pictorial form. Explanation in the pictorial form or illustration in the pictorial form should also be used for the learner. This may be useful for them, promoting comprehensibility of input and independent reading. For students, independent reading, these are very helpful. Teachers who are assigned to teach English in a multilingual context like ours have to look for the availability of a number of alternative materials in English. Teachers who are assigned to teach English, they should give attention to the alternative materials in English, which can be translated into the mother tongue of the learner. Such materials may not be workable immediately. Materials which are selected by the teachers to teach English perfectly, they may not be workable immediately, but they should be used in the class. The text selected for such purpose must suit the age and motivational level of the learners. Text whatever may be selected by the teacher to teach English to the student, that must suit the age and motivational level of the learners. Materials for teaching English should be local specified. Whatever materials is selected by the teacher, they must give attention that they should be local specified or locally collected, or local materials should be collected. Both teachers and learners must have control over the preparation of their own text. The idea of parallel reading cards in both English and Odia must be used. Test of comprehension for unseen passages can be prepared. Short paragraphs, jokes, cartoons must find places in the text. Whatever text is selected by the teacher, in that jokes, cartoons, short paragraph must find a place. English learning in Odisha must go hand in hand with multilingualism. Teachers teaching English must address their tasks in an innovative and professional manner. What is English? They must address their tasks in an innovative and professional manner. That means they will use a new way. They can find a new way how they can suit the age and motivational level of those learners, how they can help the learners to read as naturally or learn as naturally. Their teaching should match the cognitive and socio-cultural background of children and encourage all the secular values as enriched in the Constitution of India. In India is a secular country. We must give attention to that secularism or protection of that secularism. We need to enrich the secularism mentioned in the Constitution of India. So, when we are teaching a second language like English, we must give attention to our local languages to help the students to understand the English text better. So, here we are discuss about how our mother tongue can be used at the time of teaching English class. So, dear students, all of you are very sincere, and I request all of you that you must give attention to the mother tongue when you are teaching to those children, and you don't expect sudden production of any sentences from those students, sudden production of quick English languages from the students, as they require the silent period for processing in their mind, for having a product in their mind. So you need to wait for that. We have to we need patience, and we need to help the students to learn English in a better way. We have to give attention to their age and motivational level. We always motivate them. We have to create such situation in that they can naturally learn English. So, very thanks to all of you for watching this video. If any question arises in your mind, you have to put that question in the comment box, and I will try to answer your question. So, very thanks to all of you. Thank you.